Ghana Boys.
Yes. Okay, fine.
In English, cross-cutting.
We decided to choose a social science subject, specifically geography.
Cross-cutting?
We are cross-cutting issues.
Our subject is a geography subject, and the method that we have chosen to use when teaching geography subject is the simulation. Simulation method. As you know, simulation method is a method where students are engaging in experiment or in experiential learning and interacting with the environment by using a controlled picture that reflects the real-life situation. And sometimes it is mimicry shown. And therefore, the ideal topic that can be taught by using simulation method, for example, you may teach about natural hazards and specifically volcanic eruption. Therefore, students can be engaged in seeing how a moving picture showing how volcanic eruption starts, going until the picture is being formed. But also,